Good morning, students. Let's start. And the name or the title of the chapter is Resources. At first, we should be able to understand what does resources mean or what is a resource. Anything that can be used to satisfy our need is known as resource. For example, water, electricity, school bus, textbook, snacks that your mother makes at home, or vegetable, fruits, all these are types of resources and used by us. How does something become a resource? It becomes resource only when something have a value. For example, water is a resource because it has value. Water is very important for our body. It satisfies our need when we are thirsty. Time and technology are the important factors that can change substance into resources. First of all, we should understand that people themselves are the most important resource. It is their ideas, knowledge, and inventions and their discoveries that led to the creation of resources. For example, discovery of fire by human led to the practice of cooking and made use of fire in several ways. Inventions of the wheel resulted in development of modern transportation. Now let's study types of resources. It can be classified into three main resources. Your first is natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Now we will discuss about each one by one. First is natural resources. Your natural resources are, for example, water, air, soil, minerals. All of these are example of natural resources because they are free gift of nature. They are naturally found. They can be directly used by us. It can be categorized into two resources, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Some of the example of renewable resources are solar energy and wind energy. But if some natural resources are used carelessly, can affect the renewable resources. For example, water. So student, we should save water by turning off the tap when water is not of use, because drying up of natural water resources could become a serious problem for each one of us. Second is your non-renewable resource. This is just the opposite of what we just learned right now. These are those resources which are limited. Once these resources are used, it cannot be used again. For example, your coal, petroleum, natural gas are the example of non-renewable resources. Now the second resources is your human-made resources. These are those resources in which human effort is required. For example, iron ore is not a resource until people learn to extract iron from it. So human activity is involved in human-made resources. Best example is car, road, vehicles, machinery. At last we can say people use natural resources to make things. The third resource is human resources. When people make best use of their knowledge, skill, technology, that is known as human resource development. Best example I can give you is all medical field all over the world is trying to find the vaccine for the coronavirus. This is possible if scientists use best of their skill, knowledge about the medicine and full understanding about the virus, and finally find the solution for it. After learning all these types of resources, it is very important that we should know how to learn to conserve resources. Conserve means to save or to protect. So we can protect or save the resources. Now what are some of the ways? Your first is we should use all resources carefully. Second, we should give time to the resources to get renewed. Third point is, we should not overuse it. Fourth, we should not take it for granted that it will never finish. Some principles of sustainable development are: number one, respect and care for all forms of life. Second, improve the quality of human life. Third, conserve the earth, vitality and diversity. Fourth, minimize the depletion of natural resources. Fifth, change personal attitude. And the last is, enable communities to care for their own environment. Before I forget, let me explain to you what does sustainable development means when we try to conserve or save the resources for the future generation. That is known as sustainable development.